All winter long the lake was locked in ice. Gray skies, cold wind, frozen nights. But the sun came out and the south wind blew, and I knew exactly what I had to do. Pull that cover off, dust in the air, gas in the tank and a little lake prayer. Dark lines loose and the motor roars. Spring just kicked down the door. Water's chopping, engine screams. Been too long chasing this dream. First warm day after a long cold year. Throttle down and the shoreline disappears. Spraying the sun like a silver wave, flying full speed round Indian Lake. Cabins waking, seagulls cry, blue sky burning in an Ohio sky. Winter's gone, make no mistake, I'm taking my first lap around the lake. Idle past the docks, then I pin it wide. Cold wind laughing as I start to glide. Past Russell's Point and the open bay. Everybody smiling on a day like today. Snowmobile tracks long washed away. Now it's jet ski thunder on a springtime day.